Nestled in the middle of idyllic countryside is the town of Ilsenburg. The region has played a significant role in the metalworking industry for centuries. Part of this success story, and now one of the largest and most advanced companies in this field, is Ilsenburger Grobblech GmbH. The wholly owned subsidiary of Salzgitter AG boasts a highly flexible structure and produces high-grade heavy plate that is used all over the world. Premium quality for customers and maximum safety for its employees. That is what makes Ilsenburger Grobblech so special. Together with SMS Group, Ilsenburger Grobblech has successfully realized a project that significantly increases occupational safety at the heavy plate rolling mill, particularly in repair and maintenance modes.
Occupational safety is valued very highly at Ilsenburger Grobblech GmbH. In many cases, however, only running operations are taken into consideration. We go a step further, which is why we have committed to an ambitious investment project.
This was based on a three-stage plan realized over a 3-year period. First stage, on-site investigations and analyses for the risk assessment. Second stage, joint development of the safety concept. And the third stage, implementation of these measures.
Our annual replacement of housing rolls, which we have to carry out for wear-related reasons, is just one of the enhancements we make. It is especially clear how much better the work flows in maintenance mode.
In the past, the following operations were particularly critical when replacing the housing rolls. The fastening and lifting of housing rolls with steel wire ropes. The time-consuming and risky disassembly work. And radio communications with the hydraulic cellar staff. This was a particular weak point, as all hydraulic control commands during a change of housing rolls had to be transmitted via radio, and then manually adjusted. An interruption or failure in communication could have resulted in faulty control operations. In view of all these uncertainties, the task was to develop a safe concept for replacing the housing rolls.
There is no blueprint for occupational safety in repair mode or during maintenance work. We've teamed up with Ilsenburg to create customized solutions that meet the precise requirements of this plant.
This is the solution jointly developed by Ilsenburger Grobblech and SMS Group. New mechanical equipment, such as 4-step levers at the top of the heavy plate mill, used to secure the backup roll balancing system in various positions. New devices and drill holes to insert modified T-head bolts instead of steel wire ropes. Renewal of hydraulic components, such as 3 new valve stands, a new oil tank with recirculation station, as well as modifications to existing equipment. The automation system was upgraded with new technologies, new functions, and in particular, new safety controls. The new valve stands are an example of the approach taken with this project. SMS Group engineered the new valve stands to meet the precise requirements based on the analyses made. The digital design data were used to precisely manufacture the valve stands in the SMS Group workshop. This was followed by comprehensive tests and inspections in the state-of-the-art valve test stand. And finally, the acceptance test, which was also performed here by the experts from Ilsenburger Grobblech. Once installed, you can see how much progress has been made. Compared to the previous valve stand, the new stands are considerably more compact, yet still provide significantly more functions and more complex control options. It was only by renewing the hydraulic system and by implementing de-energizing circuits that the maintenance could be reorganized with safe functions. The new hydraulic equipment, in conjunction with the new automation system, now enables safe maintenance mode. The new and upgraded hydraulic equipment, the new step levers, and the new automation system. All of this interacts perfectly and now enables safe repair and maintenance modes. The automation system switches the entire mill stand to maintenance mode, while all mechanical and hydraulic positions are safely monitored. One of the most important innovations is the control of the hydraulic system via radio remote control. All positions can be safely approached with the aid of a compact industrial radio control unit. Specialists are no longer required in the hydraulic cellar. In fact, the entire maintenance team stays together for disassembly and assembly activities, ensuring that the work is directly and perfectly coordinated. The result, not only were the safety standards significantly improved, but the availability of the heavy plate mill was also increased, as the housing rolls can now be replaced more quickly. The project is a good example to other companies of how high a degree of occupational safety can be achieved in repair and maintenance modes.
We are very proud that Ilsenburger Grobblech always gives top priority to the safety of personnel and is especially active in the field of occupational safety.